Hello, and welcome back to another Wellness Wednesday video with Alessia's Academy. Hello, and welcome back to another Wellness Wednesday video with Alessia's Academy. In today's video, we'll be exploring how exercise helps with our mental and our physical health. Most people are aware that exercise helps our physical health, but did you know that it can also help with our mental health as well? We're going to explore some of those effects in today's video. So physically, we know that exercise will help us to improve our sleep, our endurance, and our energy. It'll help us to reduce our weight and our cholesterol, and it'll also increase our cardiovascular fitness. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot more physical benefits that we get from being healthy and active. Exercise also helps our mental health as well, though, by reducing anxiety and depression, relieving stress, improving our mood, decreasing tiredness and increasing our alertness, as well as increasing our self-esteem and confidence, increasing our endorphins and serotonin, increasing our creativity, and increasing our overall brain power because of neurogenesis, which is when new cells are being created in our brains. Research suggests that walking briskly for 30 minutes 3 times a week will show these benefits. However, if you wanted to, you could also spread that 90 minutes of exercise into nine smaller 10-minute walks and still enjoy those same benefits. As long as you're walking for at least 10 minutes at a brisk pace, you'll start immediately feeling some of these effects. So now we're going to get into some of the science behind this and what people have discovered through their research. So blood flow from exercise in our brain actually tackles our physiological responses to stress. So according to research by Dr. Shawna, increasing your heart rate can actually reverse stress-induced brain damage by stimulating the production of neurohormones like norepinephrine, which not only improves cognition and mood, but improves thinking clouded by stressful events. Exercise also forces the body's central and sympathetic nervous systems to communicate with one another, improving the body's overall ability to respond to stress. It also prevents cognitive decline and memory loss by strengthening the hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for memory and learning. However, there's a lot more to all of this science that goes behind the way that it impacts our mental health. According to an article called The Exercise Effect by Kirsten, Weir, physical exercise could help to ward off panic attacks. Activity may be especially important for people at risk for developing anxiety disorder. And some researchers suspect that exercise alleviates chronic depression by increasing serotonin, which is the neurotransmitter targeted by antidepressants, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which supports the growth of neurons. Another theory suggests exercise helps by normalizing sleep, which is known to have proactive effects on the brain. For more information about sleep, please see one of our previous Wellness Wednesday videos. Her article also goes on to show that there are psychological explanations for this as well. Exercise may boost a depressed person's outlook by helping them return to meaningful activity and providing a sense of accomplishment. Then there's the fact that a person's responsiveness to stress is moderated by activity. So exercise may be a way of biologically toughening up the brain so stress has less of a central impact. So it's one way that we train our brains to get even healthier. Exercise is so incredibly important for our overall health. So what will you do to get active this week? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're interested in some of the more minute details about this research, please see the articles that we've listed below in our description that we've researched for our video this week. Have a great week. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos that teach you how to learn for life and get through school while taking care of yourself. Until next time, see you soon.